Hello, little learners. Welcome back to my channel. And if you are new, my name is Miss J, and I post amazing, fun, and educational learning videos every week. Those videos include sensory play and imaginative play, and now we are focusing our new addition to the channel, Remarkable Readers. And in this portion of the channel, we will be reading books out loud, and we are going to be learning how to use our voice and different expressions when we read. So let's get started. This is a really fun rhyming book. So if you don't know already, rhyming words are words that have the same sound in their ending, like cat and bat, and saw and jaw, or mouse and house. There was an old lady who swallowed a bat. Oh my gosh! And this book is illustrated by Jared Lee and written by Lucille Colandro. There was an old lady who swallowed an owl. My, oh my, she started to howl. Oh! She swallowed the owl to shush the bat. I don't know why she swallowed a bat. Imagine that. So bat and that are both rhyming words. There was an old lady who swallowed a cat. What? What do you think? Now she's so fat. She swallowed the cat to chase the owl. She swallowed the owl to shush the bat. I don't know why she swallowed a bat. Imagine that. So bat and that are rhyming words. And while you're reading, try to think of some rhyming words on your own. And then start shouting them out loud. Or tell a friend or a mom or a dad or a caretaker or a neighbor. There was an old lady who swallowed a ghost. Woo! What do you think? She liked it the most. I don't know. I don't know if I would like to swallow a ghost. What about you, little learners? She swallowed a ghost to catch the cat. She swallowed the cat to She swallowed the cat to chase the owl. She swallowed the owl to shush the bat. I don't know why she swallowed a bat. Imagine that. There was an old lady who swallowed a goblin. It made her so dizzy, she started to spin. She swallowed the goblin to scare the ghost. Woo! She swallowed the ghost to catch the cat. She swallowed the cat to chase the owl. She swallowed the owl to shush the bat. I don't know why she swallowed a bat. Imagine that. Shh, said the bat. There was an old lady who swallowed some bones. Oh no. Oh, there was so many. She started to groan. She swallowed the bone to rattle the goblin. There's the goblin's feet. You see him? She swallowed the goblin to scare the ghost. She swallowed the ghost to catch the cat. She swallowed the cat to chase the owl. She swallowed the owl to shush the bat. I don't know why she swallowed a bat. Imagine that. Why do you guys think that she swallowed a bat? And what do you think about that? There was an old lady who swallowed a wizard to cast the spell so she could yell. So there's some more rhyming words. Spell and yell. Trick That was a really fun story. Uh-oh, burp. She is burping up all of those things that she swallowed throughout this book. That was a really fun story, little learners, and I can't wait to meet up with you next time. Thanks for watching.